Hey, Jessica. Jody really loves you. Happy Valentine's Day. You are a rock star. Let's do this.
It's the one on the bottom right. Bottom right.
Are you Jessica?
Yeah.
Hey, happy Valentine's Day.
Hi.
How are you?
Great. Thank
You
you.
have a guy who really loves you. Can we come on out here for just a quick second, right here?
Can we come in? It's okay if it's okay if we come in?
Yeah.
All right, quick second. But turn on the lights. Hello.
Hello.
Jody.
Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Jody has a special song picked out for you.
Really?
Because he said you were his brown-eyed girl. Is that true? Well, hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came. Having a hollow. We're playing a new game. Laughing and running, yeah. Skipping and jumping. In the misty morning fog, well, my heart's a pumping you. Jody's brown-eyed girl. You sure is brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when? Oh, we used to say la 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 la, just like that. La 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 la. It's two brown-eyed girls. All right. Well, happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You bet. Jody really loves you.